On March 1st, NASA's Europa Clipper spacecraft will skim the surface of Mars just 550 miles or 884 kilometers above it for a maneuver known as gravity assist. It will bend the spacecraft's trajectory and position it for what NASA calls a critical leg of its long voyage to the Jupiter system. NASA says the close flyby offers a bonus opportunity for mission scientists who will test their radar instrument and thermal imager. Europa Clipper will be closest to the red planet at 12:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, approaching it about 15.2 miles per second or 24.5 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. NASA explains, and I quote, "For about 12 hours prior and 12 hours after that time, the spacecraft will use the gravitational pull of Mars to pump the brakes and reshape its orbit around the Sun. As the orbiter leaves Mars behind, it will be traveling at a speed of about 14 miles per second or 22.5 kilometers per second, unquote. The aircraft will be slung back towards Earth for a second gravity assist in December 2026. With its velocity boosted twice, it will be set on a straightforward trek to the outer solar system. The probe is set to arrive at Jupiter's orbit in April 2030. Europa Clipper was launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on October 14, 2024, on a 1.8 billion mile or 2.9 billion kilometer trip to Jupiter, which is 5 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. Without the gravity assists from Mars in 2025 and from Earth in 2026, the 12,750-pound spacecraft would require additional propellant, which adds weight and cost, or it would take much longer to get to Jupiter. The mission's main objective is to determine whether Jupiter's icy moon, Europa's ocean beneath its ice, has the potential to support life. Europa is widely seen as perhaps the most likely place in our solar system to harbor life outside Earth. The spacecraft in orbit around Jupiter will make nearly 50 flybys of Europa at closest approach altitudes as low as 16 miles or 25 kilometers above the surface. It will scan nearly the entire moon. Europa is nearly as big as our moon but has more water in its subsurface ocean than all oceans combined on Earth.